Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to update your secret key so you can get started with using the plugin. So if there's a problem with your secret key, the first step is to go to our website, buntinglabs.com, buntinglabs. Hit Get Started. That will send you to the sign-in flow. It will ask you to put in your email. Just put that in. Then you will be emailed a login key. Go to your email, open the login, click it, it will send you here. Then here in this box on the right is the key. Copy it, go back to QGIS, go to Plugins, Bunting Labs, Edit Settings, and then paste the key in and hit save. Once you save it, you should be able to use the plugin, which again, when you have a raster and a vector loaded, you can do a line string, polygon, or multi-line string. Enable editing, and then hit this icon, and you can get started. Thank you.